Chapter 2.4 Day 1 Graph Linear Equation in Standard Form. Review slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Standard form of a linear equation is ax plus by equals c, where a and b are not both 0. Example number 1. Graphing a linear equation in standard form. Number 1 is graph negative 2x plus 3y equals negative 6. Write the equation in slope-intercept form. To write the equation into slope-intercept form, we need to isolate the y. So we're going to add 2x on both sides. You're going to get 3y equals 2x minus 6. And now you're going to divide with 3, so we can isolate the y. So y equals 2 over 3 x minus 2. So this is a equation in form of slope-intercept form, where the slope is 2 over 3 and the y-intercept is negative 2. When we graph this equation, we always start from the slope-intercept, which is negative 2. So we're going to start from here, that is negative 2. And we're going to move up 2 over 3 because the slope is 2 over 3. So we're going to move, the first step is up 2 over 1, 2, 3. So this is the point right here. Or if you want to follow the same pattern on the other side, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, this point right here. Connect the points and then you're going to get the line graph. Now we are going to graph number 1, and first step is to isolate the y. So to isolate y, we are going to subtract x on both sides. So y equals negative x minus 2. Now if you compare it with the y equals mx plus b, then m is going to be negative 1 or negative 1 over 1. So slope is negative 1 over 1 and y-intercept is negative 2. So the graph of a line y equals negative x minus 2 will start from a y-intercept, so that's negative 2. And it's going to go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, and then you're going to get a line graph. Now let's do number 2. For number 2, we have negative 1 over 2 x plus 2y equals 6. So first thing we want to do is to remove the 2 from the bottom. So we're going to multiply the 2 with each and every term. And when we multiply 2 with the first term, this 2 and 2 cancel. So it's going to be just negative x. 2 times 2 would be 4y and 2 times 6 would be 12. Now add x on both sides. You're going to get 4y equal x plus 12. Since we're going to isolate the 4, so we're going to divide with the 4 to each term. 4 and 4 cancel. You're going to get y equals 1 over 4x plus 3, where slope is 1 over 4 and the y-intercept is 3. So you're going to start from 3, which is a y-intercept. And you're going to go up 1 over 4. Remember, this is a positive slope, so it's going to rise from left to right. So the pattern you're going to follow on the other side, same thing. You go down 1 over 4, and this is going to be the next point. Make sure you combine the points, and you're going to get a line that is rising from left to right. For number 4, you're going to rewrite the equation and isolate the y by subtracting 2x on both sides. Y equals negative 2x plus 5, where m is going to be negative 2. Y-intercept is 5 or 0, 5. Here we are going to start our graph from, and you're going to use 2 units down over 1, 2 down over 1, 2 down over 1, and so on. It's going to be a falling line from left to right. For question number 1, you're going to isolate y, so subtract 4x on both sides. 2y equals negative 4x minus 16. And then you're going to remove the 2. So you're going to divide with 2 to the each term. So 2 and 2 cancel, y by itself. 4 divided by 2 is negative 2x. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So y equals negative 2x minus 8. Slope is negative 2 and y-intercept is negative 8. For question number 2, you're going to subtract 3x on both sides so that negative 4y is by itself. Now you're going to divide with negative 4 so that y by itself and negative 4 cancel with negative 4. When you divide the negative 4 on the other side, you're going to get this negative and this negative cancel. So 3 over 4x. 24 divided by 4 is 6. And then negative and negative cancel from this side as well. And it got positive 6. So the slope is 3 over 4 and y-intercept is 6. For number 3, you're going to subtract the 9x so that the y term by itself. So then you're going to get negative 7y equals negative 9x minus 14. Now you're going to divide with negative 7, so y by itself. Negative 7 and negative 7 cancel. 9 divided by 7, negative negative cancel. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Remember the negative is going to cancel. So the equation is going to be y equals 9 over 7x plus 2. Slope is 9 over 7 and y-intercept is 2. For number 4, you're going to subtract x on both sides. 4y will be equal to negative x plus 8. Divide 4 on each side, you're going to get 4 and 4 cancel. Y equals negative 1 over 4x plus 2, where m is negative 1 over 4 and y-intercept is 2.